We just scanned 12,000 stocks. And something absolutely explosive just hit our radar. $SDOT just rocketed 74% in a single session. And that's not even the craziest part. We found 5 major pre-market rockets moving right now. And I'm breaking down exactly why they're moving, what their targets are, and where you need to enter tomorrow morning. Let's go. It's after market Thursday, August 21st, 2026. And our AI scoring system just flagged 5 stocks with serious momentum. When we run our daily 12,000 stock scan, we're looking for specific patterns, unusual volume, strong percentage moves, and catalysts that can drive them even higher. Tonight, we found them. 5 rockets with scores ranging from 52 to 58 out of 100. Let's see what's moving and, more importantly, why. All 5. Starting with number 1. $SDOT. The king of today's scan. This one scores 58 out of 100, which is explosive territory. We're seeing a 74.4% move up to $14.72 on absolutely massive volume. 37.9 million shares trading with 2.0 times relative volume. The float is tight at 1.5 million, which explains the move. No specific catalyst on the news, but tight float plus momentum equals rocket fuel. Your entry is right at today's close. That's your key support. Next up is $HAIN with a 58 score as well. $HAIN just jumped 30.3% to $0.81. Now, this one's interesting because we actually have a news catalyst. It got mentioned in a piece about stocks under $10 with warning signs. Counterintuitive, right? But the volume is there. 3.9 million shares. 2.0x relative volume. And that tight float of 72.2 million doesn't scream tight. But the move is real. Entry at $0. Top sits at $0.69. Now, number 3. $JUNS. A 56 score and a 20.7% mover to $6.24. Here's the thing with $JUNS. The volume is absurd. We're talking 104 million shares trading. Nearly 2.0x relative volume. The catalyst here is tied to broader market strength. US equity indexes rise despite surging bond yields. So this is a rising tide situation. Entry at $6.24. Target 1 at $7.49. Target 2 at $9.36. Stop at $5.31. The float. Lion. So decent room to run. Fourth. $PLAG with a 54 score and a 24.6% move to $0.91. Now here's your M&A story. An SEC 8K filing shows termination of a material definitive agreement. Translation. The deal fell through. Sometimes that's bearish. Sometimes it's bullish. Depends on context. But the market's reacting positively here with solid 8.2 million shares traded at 1.9x volume. Float is only 11.4 million. So this one's got squeeze. Stop at $0.77. Finally, number 5. $KNRX. A 52 score but an absolute 76.3% screamer at $0.58. This is an explosive move. We're seeing 276 million shares traded. 2.0x relative volume. The catalyst is KNRX's business update and 2025 fiscal year results. The float at 24.3 million gives it breathing room. Entry at $0.58. Target 1 at $0.70. Target 2 at $0.87. Stop at $0.49. This one's wild. Here's what I'm watching for tomorrow morning. $SDOT needs to hold above $14.72 at the open. That's your key level. If it gaps up and holds, we could see $17.66 before lunch. $HAIN and $KNRX are your penny stock plays. Those can move fast, so watch the first 30 minutes for confirmation. $JUNS has huge volume, so make sure it's not a flush out. Wait for consolidation near $6.24. And $PLAG? Watch that 8K news. Make sure there's no follow-up negative announcements. The real opportunities come when volume confirms the move, not when it's fading. Confirmation is everything. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want deeper analysis, real-time alerts, and access to our AI stock scanner? Head to TDVW.com. That's where our members get early access to these daily scans before they hit YouTube. See you there.